What's up guys, in this video I'll be showing how to add a network for your smart home devices to your current router without having to purchase another router in the at&t router settings. This should work about the same for most other internet service providing companies, but the settings might look a little different and you might have to search around a little bit before you find it, but it's not very difficult. Let's get started.
First, go to the search bar and type in CMD, then press enter. Now type in ipconfig and press enter. And highlight this IP address near the bottom and press CTRL-C. Next, open up a browser window and paste the IP. Wait for it to load. Now click on Settings next to Services. Next, click on LAN. Now scroll down until you see Guest Network. It should be under Wi-Fi Protected Setup. Click on Disabled and go to Enabled and click on that. Next, you can change the name of the network. You're going to want to enable private LAN and then type in your password. Next, click Save, and it might ask for your access code, which is on your router next to the default password that you got whenever you first had your Wi-Fi installed. There's a little diagram on the bottom right now. It should take 20 seconds to 2 minutes to apply the settings, and then I'll show how to connect to a network. I'll just be demonstrating connecting with this laptop. Next, click on Wi-Fi next to Status.